Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add a background in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and right-click on the background, then click on Format Background. Here, you can add a solid fill. Click on Color to change the color of the background. And here you can change the transparency of the background. Click on Gradient Fill. Here you can change the color of each stop. Just click on the stop and then select the color you want. Let's select this one, for example. And here you can also drag the stops and place them wherever you want. Now let's change the colors of each of these stops. You can add on this icon to add a gradient stop, or you can remove gradient stop. And here you can click on the stop you want to edit and edit the position, transparency, and the brightness. You can change the type. And here you can change the direction. For the picture or texture fill, here you can add a texture, or you can click on File to insert a background image. Let's select this one, for example. Click on Insert. You can click on Online to change or to insert an online picture. Let's select this one, then click on Insert. Here you can change the offset. Now for the pattern fill, you can choose one of these patterns. Click on this icon to change the color of the foreground. And this icon to change the color of the background. And you can also select to hide the background graphics. Now, add more or new slides. And go back to the first slide and click on Apply to All to apply the background to all slides. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.